The ERP Cloud Toolbox Finance module makes applying payment holds and releases easy. We start by creating a new sheet from the Holds and Releases template. This sheet is customized to include all the columns we'll need to set up and manage AP holds. We'll manage our existing holds first up, and we start by downloading them into the sheet. You can see there are 2 download sources available, and we'll stick with holds for now. In the download form, we can select the criteria for our download, and we can filter by a number of things here: the supplier, the hold type, or put in a date range for the holds we're interested in. But we'll keep things simple and just bring down all our holds for this business unit. So we have 4 there. Let's release them. We might use the edit form to do that. We select update as the action. And we have the releases available in the drop down, so we take the one we need. But it's quicker in the worksheet. We'll copy down the update action over here and enter in our release names by hand. And we could use copy and paste or formulas to speed this up if we wanted. That's all we need to do. We can upload all the release instructions at once. There we go. So quick and easy. Creating holds is easy too. First we need to get the invoices into the sheet, so for the download source we'll pick invoices this time. And then we put in our download criteria, put in the business unit, supplier, and select the start of last month and the end of last month as our range. So those 6 invoices are sitting there. Suppose we have a problem with this supplier and we want to hold them all. Well, we can use the defaults row to do this really quickly. We're creating new holds, so we default the action to that. And the hold reason is the same, so we can default that too. And then we'll drag the cursor over those rows and upload them. This time during the upload process, you can see the default values drop into the records before they load. So easy. And we can verify they exist from the spreadsheet too. We'll copy a few of those invoice numbers down here and use download via sheet to download them directly. And there are our 3 holds as expected. You can't do it with FBDI, and for ease of use there's no other tool that comes close. And there's a host of other great features in the finance module too. You could find out more by going to our website or reaching out to your More4apps sales rep.